Hey everybody, so I just wanted to do a quick little update. So all the parts and stuff I'm supposed to be getting for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner headlight HID conversion system, they're going to be on hold for a little bit because SRQ Fabrications, the company I've ordered all the parts and everything from, they are actually at the King of Hammers 2019 4x4 event, which ends on the 9th, February 9th. Started on February 1st, ends on February 9th. It's in California. But I'm still waiting on all that stuff to come in, which is the Morimoto 55 watt, not 55 watt, but 35 watt ballasts. They're 5500 Kelvin HIDs. They're going to be D2S HIDs. I'm going to be running front and rear halos, BG halos with color change support. I'm going to have demon eyes also, and I'm also going to be installing side markers, some blacked out side markers to match the headlights. I'm going to be painting the inside of the lenses, the reflective material. I'm going to be painting them gloss black. So these are some of the things I'm going to be doing. I don't have them in my hands yet. As soon as I get them in my hands, I will do a video specifically on them, a build video and everything else. I'll even test them on camera probably before I install them, and I'll probably do a separate video on actually installing them on my truck. I'm gonna have to take my ram guard off, my grill off, and a few other things off to get to the headlight housings. The housings are going to be glass, just like the originals. And I already did the video on the HID conversion for the 4Runner's fog lights. Just want to give a little update. I'm waiting on parts because the King of Hammers event's going on. The company that's getting me all the parts, SRQ Fabrications, is technically in the event. They're running a 4600 series 3rd gen 4Runner race 4x4 truck. So whenever I get all the stuff out, I will let you guys know as soon as I possibly can. I appreciate you stopping by, watching, and checking out my content. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.